What's up guys, I'm Ronnie from Rocker Wraps. I'm here to show you how to install this cherry blossom decal provided by Express Skins. So the first step is to align your decal and find the best placement on your vehicle. So make sure when you place your decal to try to avoid any crazy like curvatures. Well, this is not that crazy. So when placing the decal, just make sure it's on like the flattest parts of your vehicle. And then when you tape it on, and you mark your area to hold it up, make sure that the decal and everything doesn't have any wrinkles and everything's smooth and easy for install. So I placed the tape in the middle because when I install this, I'm going to do half and then the rest. Make it easier to install instead of taking the whole entire backing off and placing it on the car to make everything smooth and even. Okay, so what I just did was I took the backing off and then I used the masking paper to place everything as flat as possible. Even though there's a curve right here, it still didn't put the sticker on the curve. I just did everything straight so there's no wrinkles or anything, and it'll make squeegeeing a lot easier. So now I'm going to take off the middle tape right here because I'm about to start the other side. So what I'm going to do is take this piece of tape right here, maybe probably leave it on there just for marking because you know this is I don't have to go up and down. But I'm going to take the backing paper off and keep it as close to the car as possible. Take the backing paper off right here, right this side, and then I'm going to pull stout. So when I'm putting the decal on, it's going to be as flat and even as possible because again you don't want any wrinkles. There you go. So now I'm going to continue squeegeeing. See, so I'm more concentrated on the decal and not squeegeeing this down. Keep everything flat because this keeps everything away from the vehicle. Using this part. And I'm looking at these curves and I'm following the curves. I'm not going straight into it. I'm curving the curves so it doesn't create any wrinkles in the decal. So with this part, you see it's tight like that. Sometimes you can spray a little bit of alcohol. It'll make your paper a little softer and more flexible. For me, I'm just gonna gun it. I'm following the decal sticker. I'm not trying to get the paper down in any form matter. I just want the decal down onto the car. Like that. See how the backing's coming off the decal already? It's all gonna peel off by itself. Alright, so on this last step, when you're peeling off the backing, you don't want to just go straight forward gung-ho. You want to actually slowly peel at an angle. Make sure little things like this part right here stays on the vehicle. You want it to be as close as possible to the other side, like fold it and then pull it. You don't want to pull it like this because it can pull the decal off here. So keep it angled and keep it as close to the car as possible. Always pulling at a certain angle. And you're gonna watch your decals, make sure none of it gets ripped up or pulled up. This is no rush on this part.
Always watching the decal, making sure everything's on the vehicle. Just pull it up on the beginning.
Down. Now just go back, check check for any bubbles. Go on the edges right there. If you have a squeegee, get the squeegee, squeegee it through. And when you squeegee, don't squeegee towards the points, always squeegee outwards, so these points don't peel back up.
Got it.
If you're gonna put it like in the middle of the door like this, get your blade. Always put your blade on the side of on the corner, and just slide to the edge. Don't cut on the car. Just slide the edges and then tuck it. So in your pack, you're gonna get a sheet of these. So with these, we made it a little easier so you can also design yourself. You can choose, pick and go. Like this one right here, you can put it over here on the tip of that. Stick them anywhere you like, make your own design.
And these are easy to install because they're just like stickers, right?
Correct, and then you can even go out here and give it a little bit more definition. Well, this is how you install a cherry blossom, and this is the finished product. As you can tell, I kind of designed it to where it flows a little bit outwards like that.